Why do 80% of businesses in Rincon choose Rincon Rocks Radio? Because they know the power of ultimate promotion. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is your ultimate partner for unbeatable marketing deals. Imagine this, for less than $5 a day, you get a quarter-page ad in our monthly digital and print books, featured on Amazon, plus a custom business video and daily social radio commercials. Sounds incredible, right? Need more? Upgrade to our half-page ad at $200 per month for a full 1-minute radio ad, a video that can be updated weekly, and half-page digital and print exposure. Talk about value. And if you want the full package, our full-page ad is less than $100 per week. That's personalized video, full-page print and digital ads, and live remote coverage with broadcasts every day of the week. Don't miss out on the chance to make your business shine. Contact Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions at 1-787-546-3252 or visit rinconrocksradio.com. Let's rock your business together.
Live. We are live. Rincon Rocks Radio live with Elite Credit Investment Advisors. And we're here with Miss Emma in the Philippines. It looks like the market just opened up. I think I can see that 7 o'clock green candle going right there in the middle. We're already in the trade. We got in the trade about 5 minutes ago. So we're waiting for that candle to trade up to our profit margin up there. When it gets up there, it will make us a profit of about $500. I think we got it set at. So that's going. You see the green candle going up right now. And it's climbing up really fast. It's jumping up to the blue area there. You can see it travel. I'm trying to use the magnifier to make it a little bigger so you can see it easier. See it right there, that big green spike? Yep, that is profit in the making. It's going to continue to go up. It's going to tag that blue line and it's going to make a profit. The profit's going to be right here. There we go. So it's going to cross the blue and start making money. And then it's going to cash out and we will see the money. Go ahead and see if I can make this a little bigger for you. There you go. Now you can see it quite a bit better. All right, so that's going on. We have a brand new sponsor tonight, Connect PR Church in Aguada. Let's hear a little bit of something from them while we're waiting for the green candle to cross.
Welcome to Connect PR.
Bienvenidos a Connect PR.
A bilingual church in the heart of Aguada, Puerto Rico.
Una iglesia bilingüe en el corazón de Aguada, Puerto Rico.
Where faith is alive and worship is modern.
Donde la fe está viva y la adoración es moderna.
And everyone is welcome.
Y todos son bienvenidos.
At Connect PR, we believe church should feel like home.
En Connect PR creemos que la iglesia debe sentirse como hogar.
A place to connect with God and with people.
Un lugar para conectarte con Dios y con las personas.
And grow in purpose and community.
Y crecer en propósito y comunidad.
Led by Pastor Diane Johnson Seaton.
Guiados por la pastora Diane Johnson Seaton.
And Pastor Camila Raza.
Y la pastora Camille Rosa.
We're building a life-giving church with passionate worship.
Estamos construyendo una iglesia llena de vida con adoración apasionada.
Relevant teaching and real relationships.
Enseñanza relevante y relaciones auténticas.
No matter where you're from or what language you speak.
No importa de dónde vengas ni el idioma que hables.
There's a place for you here.
Aquí hay un lugar para ti.
Come as you are.
Ven tal como eres.
This is Connect PR.
Esto es Connect PR.
Where faith, life, and community connect.
Donde la fe, la vida y la comunidad se conectan.
And we're back. I'm familiar with Pastor Diane and Pastor Camille. Wonderful people. Glad they're our sponsors. They're helping bring us, make it possible for us to bring you this free trading information every day, Monday through Friday. Miss Emma, talk to us a little bit about the market while we watch that candle trade up. What you got going on?
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Yes, we're still working on with a lot of trainings. Zoom classes for our crypto trade training, and for the we also have a lot of free consultation on the credit mastery program. So we are inviting everyone to come and join us. You can actually connect with us anytime at 877-587-4540, or you can join our daily live stream so that you can watch and see how the market goes. So stay tuned with us today, and if you have questions in any of our trading or on the credit mastery program, please comment down on our Facebook page, on our YouTube channel, or you can again call me directly.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that. So again, it's starting to trend just a little bit. We're seeing the candles trend sideways a little bit, which is fine. That means they're ripe for a breakout. The evening session that starts at 7, you saw it pop in right here and start to climb up. It's usually a very slow session. It gets where it's trying to go. It usually climbs up 3 to 5 blocks. So it'll climb way up here above where our profit is set. But it's very, very slow because most of the institutional investors are home. Just leaves the small time investors, the people practicing and not wanting to risk a lot of money out there. So with that, we'll learn a little bit more about our trading program. Once again, it is 100% free to join us on our training Zooms. And then, of course, if you're wanting to get set up with a program later on, we can tailor that to fit your needs, your individual needs. So let's hear a little bit about
Former Nobel Prize student reveals how $500 becomes 50 KLA using secret wealth pillars. Meet Dr. Cam Todd, known as the Crypto Samurai. He studied under Robert Shiller, the Nobel Prize-winning Yale economist who predicted both the dot-com crash and the housing bubble. Now, Dr. Todd has written 7 books on cryptocurrency and blockchain, and he's taking that elite-level knowledge to the masses. Operating from Puerto Rico under Act 60, he's developed the 3 pillars of wealth system that transforms small investments into substantial returns. His mission? To give everyday investors the same tools and strategies that the financial elite use to build generational wealth. If you're ready to think like the pros and turn your modest savings into real wealth, the Crypto Samurai is about to show you exactly how it's done.
All right. We are back. So, yeah, the concept is real simple. The 3 pillars of wealth are something that everybody needs to understand, regardless of their position, where they are, where they want to go. The first is personal credit mastery. We have an AI credit builder that will come alongside you and help you do everything fully automated with the AI, 30, 60, 90 days. I have seen the credit built as far as 250 to 300, even 400 points in less than 30 days. With that, we'll play a little something from Mike the Credit Guy and let him tell you a little bit about the system.
This is exactly how I escaped the paycheck to paycheck life by the age of 25. If you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or even 50s and you're broke, you're not alone. But staying broke, that's a choice. By the end of this video, you're going to know a 9-step blueprint to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable, even if you're working a minimum wage job or drowning in debt. This is the exact same system used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing but a bad credit score and a cracked iPhone. And it's exactly what I would do if I lost everything today and had to start over at 21. This video is one of the most important wake-up calls for Americans right now because we're living in the age of inflation, $5 gas, and 5-figure student loan bills, but the tools to escape, they're more available than ever. This is going to be a 9-step process and you do not want to skip a single one because it can throw the entire process off. So let's jump in. Step number 1, we need to audit your reality because you can't escape something you won't look at. We need to go old school with this. Open your bank app, get a notepad, write down your income, your expenses, and your debts. Then circle the things you're emotionally avoiding. That $897 credit card bill that you've been ignoring. I understand this hurts, but it's necessary because you can't fix what you're blind to. Now, step number 2, we want to eliminate financial parasites. A lot of you are not gonna like what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna say it. Netflix, DoorDash, Amazon Prime, random gym memberships you haven't used since February. Kill them. Kill them all. Because every single dollar you spend out of habit is a dollar that keeps you broke. Most 20-somethings are bleeding $300 to $500 a month on absolutely nothing. Simply put, cut everything ruthlessly. You can always resubscribe later. Now moving to step number 3, master one high income skill. If you're working 40 hours a week and still can't breathe financially, you don't need more hours. You need more valuable hours. Good example, copywriting, digital ads, video editing, sales, or coding. Pick one and commit 6 months to it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step number 4, open a high yield savings account. It's one of the easiest and best things you'll ever do. Put your emergency fund in a place that actually earns you something. Online banks like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi offer way better rates than your local banks. You're not investing just yet. This is your sleep well fund. Let's just be honest. Banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Chase Bank are giving you absolutely nothing to hold your money in their bank. It's time to make smart moves with your money. Now moving on to step number 5, get a side hustle that scales. Uber's fine, but at the end of the day, it's a dead end. Instead, you could do things like flip items on eBay, create digital products, run a content page, start affiliate marketing, something that can grow even when you sleep. Because remember, trading time for money forever equals modern day slavery. Step number 6, automate 3 key habits. This is crucial. It's what I call the set it and forget it. Number 1, auto transfer $100 a month to savings. Put it away and don't even look at it. It's like it doesn't exist. Number 2, auto pay your credit cards to pay off in full every single month. We don't pay these banks any interest fees. If you don't have the money to pay it, don't use a credit card. It's that simple. And number 3, my favorite, auto invest $20 a week into an index fund. Even small amounts done consistently will stack faster than you ever think. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Kenneth. Kenneth's credit score went up 282 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Arthur's credit score went up 670 points after just 2 rounds with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget Destiny. Destiny's credit score went up 264 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. But specifically to Luis, Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget
I went from a 520 credit score to 750 in 90 days using AI. And not gonna lie, I was skeptical at first, but this program literally taught me everything. Credit repair with Dispute Beast, building business credit, AI advertising, even daily trading lessons with real people on Zoom. It's actually insane how much they cover. And the best part, 0 risk, which honestly sold me. If you want in, call 1-877-587-4540 right now, because seating is actually limited. And I'm not just saying that.
And we're back. Awesome. So we got to hear from Mike, the credit guy, on the Dispute Beast. That's a 100% AI backed Dispute Beast that fixes your credit for you. And like I mentioned before, you can go 152 to even 300 points a month. Just depends on what you need cleaned up. Now, we're going to focus back again on the 3 pillars of wealth. The first pillar is personal credit, recognizing it, analyzing, evaluating. Put the AI credit Dispute Beast on it, and it's going to be credit monitoring. It's like $49.95 a month, and it makes sure that your credit is maintained. Keeps things off of it that don't need to be there. Every day I hear about some scammers that are charging things or putting things on people's PayPals or on their bank accounts or whatever. And if you don't monitor that your credit consistently 24/7, you may think you got a great score, and it may really be slowly spiraling down. So the second pillar is building business credit on an EIN. We all know that personal credit's built on a social. So from 0 to 850. Business credit's built on the EIN number of the company. So you got an LLC or a sole proprietorship or a partnership, and it's built on the EIN number. So you're building, it's completely separate from your personal credit. And you need to learn about business credit. Even if you have no interest in building a business and building business credit, you still need to understand everything there is about it, because using other people's money with a business credit line is how the millionaires and billionaires are made. Okay. And finally, understanding the stock market, where all of the stocks and bonds and commodities are traded on a daily basis. So bearing that in mind, after we give you a brief overview of each of those two subjects, the third one is we're literally trading live with the stock market data right now. And we've got a little contract in right now where you have to have a minimum of $100 in the trade. We've got $100 trading on the green candles right now toward our profit. And of course, naturally, from where we entered in to where we're at right now, it's taken just a few minutes to get up there and make a profit. But while we do that, we're going to pop over here and hear from another one of our sponsors.
You need to hear this if you're curious about trading stocks or crypto but worry about losing money. Let's talk risk-free learning. Welcome to Elite Credit and Investment Program, where you can learn to trade stocks and cryptocurrencies in a completely simulated environment. No risk, all reward. Imagine gaining the skills to navigate volatile markets confidently, all while using TradingView, absolutely free with any package bundle. That's right, a professional-grade trading platform at your fingertips with zero financial risk. Our simulated trading experience lets you practice real-time strategies, test your knowledge, and grow your confidence, all before you ever put your money on the line. It's the perfect way to learn and master the markets. Ready to start your journey? Call 1-939-739-4045 to schedule a free Zoom class, or visit elitecreditandinvestmentadvisors.com to fill out our contact form. Don't wait. Take control of your financial future today with risk-free trading powered by TradingView. Elite Credit and Investment Program. Your path to mastering the market starts here.
And we're back, and as you can see, the green candle's climbing up toward the profit right now, as we predicted. It's traveling a little slower than it would be in a normal daytime environment. The institutional investors have all gone home. There's just some part-time people, and then the Asian market is trading right now. But you can see that the green candles are moving up, and they are just a few minutes away from the blue line. It could shoot up at any minute and go ahead and make a profit. But what I want to do at this point is I want to welcome once again, for those that just tuned in, to our new sponsor of the week. We'll be playing this commercial on a regular basis. This is Connect PR in Aguada. Some good friends of ours, both Anita and myself. And Anita will be giving you the Spanish introduction here in a minute. After we play the commercial, we encourage you, if you're anywhere in or around Aguada or the western end of Puerto Rico, drop by and visit Pastor Camille and Pastor Diane Johnson.
Welcome to Connect PR,
Bienvenidos a Connect PR,
a bilingual church in the heart of Aguada, Puerto Rico.
una iglesia bilingüe en el corazón de Aguada, Puerto Rico.
where faith is alive and worship is modern,
donde la fe está viva y la adoración es moderna,
and everyone is welcome.
y todos son bienvenidos.
At Connect PR, we believe church should feel like home,
En Connect PR creemos que la iglesia debe sentirse como hogar,
a place to connect with God and with people,
un lugar para conectarte con Dios y con las personas,
and grow in purpose and community.
y crecer en propósito y comunidad.
Led by Pastor Diane Johnson Seaton
Guiados por la pastora Diane Johnson Seaton
and Pastor Camila Raza,
y la pastora Camille Rosa,
we're building a life-giving church with passionate worship,
estamos construyendo una iglesia llena de vida con adoración apasionada,
relevant teaching, and real relationships.
enseñanza relevante y relaciones auténticas.
No matter where you're from or what language you speak,
No importa de dónde vengas ni el idioma que hables,
there's a place for you here.
aquí hay un lugar para ti.
Come as you are.
Ven tal como eres.
This is Connect PR,
Esto es Connect PR,
where faith, life, and community connect.
donde la fe, la vida y la comunidad se conectan.
And we're back. And with just a few words of encouragement in Spanish, I've got Anita Casanova here. She's in one of the pictures on that commercial, by the way, with Pastor Diane. So, Anita, take it away. Tell us a little something about Connect PR.
Buenas noches. Vamos a celebrar la palabra de Dios todos los domingos a las 10 de la mañana con la pastora Diane y la pastora Camila. El servicio va a ser presentado en inglés y en español. Todos son invitados y que Dios los bendiga. No se olviden, amen a su Dios y a su prójimo. Chao.
Thank you so much, Miss Anita. And we'll hear from another one of our sponsors. And we'll be
Why do 80% of businesses in Rincon choose Rincon Rocks Radio? Because they know the power of ultimate promotion. Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions is your ultimate partner for unbeatable marketing deals. Imagine this, for less than $5 a day, you get a quarter-page ad in our monthly digital and print books, featured on Amazon, plus a custom business video and daily social radio commercials. Sounds incredible, right? Need more? Upgrade to our half-page ad at $200 per month for a full 1-minute radio ad, a video that can be updated weekly, and half-page digital and print exposure. Talk about value. And if you want the full package, our full-page ad is less than $100 per week. That's personalized video, full-page print and digital ads, and live remote coverage with broadcasts every day of the week. Don't miss out on the chance to make your business shine. Contact Rincon Rocks Radio and Promotions at 1-787-546-3252 or visit rinconrocksradio.com. Let's rock your business together.
And we're back live. You can see the green candlestick climbing up there toward the profit. And don't forget, this is Tuesday night. Thursday night, Anita Casanova will be live again from the Art Walk, downtown Rincon, Puerto Rico. Let's hear a little bit about it.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best-kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anita Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Art Walk downtown. We know what's happening in paradise because we are paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at rinconrocksradio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to paradise.
The soundtrack to paradise. I like to say our slogan is Puerto Rico's Paradise Radio Station, because we do play 60s, 70s, 80s, and best of all, the classic rock hits of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And besides that, we also do special requests. You can go to rinconrocksradio.com, pop on and listen to us on your cell phone. You can Bluetooth your cell phone to your speakers or to your car. Listen to us when you're driving to and from work. or just sitting around the house, put us on an external Bluetooth speaker and listen to us all day. We're 24/7 radio worldwide, and we do not have a problem playing birthdays, anniversaries, special events. Miss Emma, tell us a little bit about what we're looking at here. You can see our green candles are climbing. They're a little bit slow, so talk a little bit about some of our programs and things that you've seen us do in the past. If you would, I want to go ahead and shine the spotlight on you a little bit. Emma's worked with me for well over 10 years, somewhere between 12 and 15, I think. Take it away, Emma.
Okay. Well, yeah, again, Elite Credit and Investment Advisor, we have three programs that you can start with us. We have the first, the Credit Mastery program. Second, we have the Financial Education program. And lastly is the Smart Investing. So Smart Investing, that include our crypto trade training every day. And we also have a platform, Ninja Trader, and also trading view that you can use to trade for free with no it's a zero risk at all. You can learn the techniques and the basic of trading, and we have different packages that you can enroll. We have the first package that would give you the 7 days of training. It's one-on-one mentorship. The second package of our smart investing is our 30 days of training, and also one-on-one mentorship with phone support. You can actually choose your available time as long as you have the schedule with us. And we also have the credit mastery program. The If you wanna fix your credit score, you wanna build your own business credit, or if you wanna set up your business, we can work with that. So just contact me at 877-587-4540. Anything that you need about business or on smart investing, Elite Credit and Investment Advisor will be happy to assist you, and you are welcome to aboard with us.
Thank you so much, Miss Emma. Back to the trade. It looks like it's starting to trend to the sideways just a little bit. And again, I apologize for the slow trading at night at the 7 o'clock. If you trade, I've got a good friend of mine that only trades the 9:30 a.m. pop. So he trades like 9:30 to 10, and then he only trades the pop when the market opens. He may put in 100 units and he trades the pop up, makes $2,000 or $3,000, and that's it for the day. Calls it a day. So after the usual, it either breaks out and goes up or it breaks out and goes down after the usual pop in the evening. It does trade massively slow, so it is definitely trading slow, but that's great for beginners. It's great when you're just getting in because you can put a couple of $100 in there, click your trade buttons, let them trade, and let it go slow. It doesn't have to go fast all at one time. So we've got another commercial coming up here for Paradise Falls Taxi.
If your beach day looks like a parking struggle, you're doing it wrong. Ride with Paradise Falls Taxi. Whether you're catching a flight, hitting the beach, or exploring hidden gems, we've got you covered, local and island-wide. Fast, friendly, and always reliable. Call 787-546-3252 now, or visit us online for your free quote. Don't wait. Ride with the best in Rincon. Paradise Falls Taxi Service, where paradise takes you.
And finally, real quick before we sign off, we got to hear from our number one sponsor, one of the first sponsors to ever sign, full page ad. When we first started out and believed in us and helped us get going.
Welcome to the rhythm of paradise, where the waves meet the beat and every moment is a celebration. This is Caddy's Calypso, nestled on Maria's Beach, Rincon's crown jewel. Feel the pulse of Puerto Rico as you sip on ice-cold perfection. Savor mouth-watering delights while pro surfers dance with the ocean. As the sun dips, the music rises, painting the sky with melodies. This is more than a beach bar, it's a symphony of senses. Caddy's Calypso, where paradise meets rhythm and every day is an encore. Find us on the 413 Road to Happiness or call 1-787-823-1626. Caddy's Calypso, this is living.
And we're back. Yep, Caddy was one of the first actual advertiser, full page ad in the print, the digital, and of course, round the clock, 24/7 radio commercials as well. He does close down a few months in the slow season, and then he cranks back up, but he's always got something every day of the week. We'll be covering some of his events live every week. We always try to get in there Wednesday or They got a special event. We recently were there for the Beatles, the Jukebox Beatles were live. We broadcast that live. We'll be back there. We're going to try to do 2 or 3 times a week from Caddies. And with that, we're going to play one more quick little message, and then we'll be out. We've been in 30 minutes, and we try to do somewhere between 20 and 30 minutes for the day. So I got one more to play for you, and then we will sign off until tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Let's see what we got.
If you crave luxury, you need to hear this. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors has something special for you. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors has teamed up with Invicta Watches to bring you a luxury lifestyle journey like no other. Sign up for any of our bundles and get a sleek Invicta watch, plus your choice of sunglasses or cologne. It's time to reward yourself for investing in your financial future. Our 3 Pillars of Wealth program helps you master credit, investing, and financial education. And now, with Invicta Watches, we're adding a touch of luxury to your journey. Imagine ticking off your financial goals with a sophisticated timepiece on your wrist. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Call 1-939-739-4045 or visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com today. Let's start your luxury lifestyle journey together. Get your bling on.
Get your bling on. I love it. With that, I'll let Miss Emma sign us out with a little word of inspiration. We'll see you at 9:30 a.m.
Okay, well, thank you so much, everyone, for staying with us. Thank you, Cameron, for always giving us a good learning into trading. And again, if you don't have yet the experience in trading or any knowledge, don't take this opportunity. Please take this opportunity to join with us so that you will open another door of your life into the most training business right now in the elite world. So it's the crypto trading. So come and join with us tomorrow again for another live training. God bless everyone.
All right. And I'll just say this. I love Mike the Credit Guy. I talk to him every so often. And of course, I train live with him every Thursday night for a little while on the AI credit repair. I like what he says when he comes on and he says, you know, if you're in your 20s, you're in your 30s, and you're in your 40s or even 50s and you're broke, that's not a big deal. But staying broke is a choice. So don't stay broke. Get out there and learn about your personal credit. If you know everything there is to know about your personal credit, it still doesn't hurt to have your credit monitoring, about $49.95 for the AI credit dispute-based credit monitoring. And it literally keeps all the bandits out and makes sure that your credit stays up the way it should be. If not, it never hurts to get better credit. Even if you don't plan to use credit cards, you need good personal credit. And secondly, how to build business credit on the EIN. If you do it not for no other reason, it's a great way to start up a multiple streams of income, a stream of income that can earn while you sleep. And finally, it's fantastic knowledge. It's kind of like learning a whole new universe to learn about the stock market trading. Okay, and you can start trading with TradingView. It's risk-free for 30 days. The software's risk-free, costs you nothing to learn. Get in there. Do not continue to stay broke. There's no reason to do that. With that, we're going to call it a day, and we will see you tomorrow, Lord willing, and creeks not rising.
Ever wondered what paradise sounds like? Rincon's best-kept secret is on the airwaves. Rincon Rocks Radio delivers classic rock from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, but we're so much more than music. Join Dr. Cam behind the scenes and Anaida Casanova broadcasting live from Rincon's most interesting locations, including the Thursday Art Walk downtown. We know what's happening in paradise because we are paradise. Birthdays, anniversaries, special requests, we play your hits while keeping you connected to authentic island life. Log on at rinconrocksradio.com or call 787-546-3252. Find us broadcasting live from every business in Rincon. This is your soundtrack to paradise.